Hi and welcome back. In this video I will try to make a micro collet, that will suit this micro tools, and the collet will go into this micro air dry grinder that I reviewed in my last video. And the collet, I think of making it of this brass rod, and as you can see I got a simple drawing here, and these measurements are the ones that I'm gonna use. So enough talking, let's get started. Okay, I will start by facing this, and then I will cut down the diameter, which is almost 12 millimeters now, and I will cut it down to 7 millimeters. $694. Well, I think that will do. And now I will take down this diameter to 5 millimeters, or more exact, it will be 4.98. I think I will use a file for the last measurement. I'll try this. Well, that didn't make any big difference. Okay, let's see. $4.97. Well, I'm satisfied with that. Next thing to do will be to cut this 15-degree angle here. Next to do will be to cut this recess here, 5 mil diameter and on that, and 1 mil in length. Time to drill the hole, and I will use my smallest center drill to center drill this, and then use a regular drill bit. Time to drill the hole in the center, and the hole shall be 1.6 millimeters, but I start by using 1.5, and then I go to the 1.6. And here comes the 1.6 drill bit. Let's see if this micro tool fits. Yeah, quite nice. And this collet needs 3 slits, and I'm gonna make the slits with a slitting saw, and the width of the slitting saw is 0.5 mil, and I will be putting this up in my dividing head. And here you can see the result. Next thing to do will be to put this back in the chuck and cut it off to the right length. Here we got the finished collet, micro collet, and we can compare this with the two ones that comes with the kit, like this. And will this fit? Yep. Okay. Let's see if we can mount this in this grinder. And where do here we have this little one. Put this in like this, and we tighten this. Let's try it. Let's try it on this piece of brass. Well, seems to work all right for micro precisions jobs, I think. Thank you for watching this video of making a micro collet. I see you on the next one. Bye bye.